Now let's look at the word cat. Cat. What is saying k in the word cat? Yes, the C is saying the sound k in cat. So, when we look at the k sound at the beginning of a word, most of the time, almost always, at the beginning of a word, the C is going to be used as the k sound for a word. Okay, now the exceptions for this, which means when we use a K at the beginning of a word, it's always going to be used before an E, I, or a Y. So if the second letter is an E, an I, or a Y, then we would use the K letter instead of the C. But almost always, when you hear the k sound at the beginning of a word, we're going to use the C. So let's look at the word kite. Kite. Okay, so let's tap it out. K-I-T, kite. What is our vowel sound in the word kite? Yes, the letter I is our vowel sound. So remember, we're almost always going to use a C at the beginning of a letter for the word for the sound k, except after E, I, or Y. So now we have an I, so we would use the K here instead of the C. All right, let's look at another exception. The word key. Key. So our vowel sound in this case is going to be the E. Now, remember our rule, E, I, and Y. We would use the letter K. And in this case, key is spelled K-E-Y. So you can see that our rule is the I, the E, and the Y, we use a K. Most of the time, when we don't see an E, I, or Y, we're going to use the C for the k sound.